We're moving towards a world where operations start to think for themselves. For the last century, maintenance operations have been defined by a very simple idea, and that is that things break and then we go and fix them. And when we think about it, and we think about what we've been doing over the last few years, we've made things more sophisticated. We've introduced preventative maintenance, we've introduced condition-based monitoring. But we're still fundamentally reacting to the physical world, and AI fundamentally changes that premise entirely. That we're moving towards a world where operations start to think for themselves. So assets that understand their own condition, systems that anticipate failure before it's visible to a human being. Decisions about capital, about the deployment of risk, about uptime, that are being made with a clarity that we've just never had before. That's not just a feature upgrade, that is a significant and fundamental shift in the industrial economy.